Hello, I'm Thomas Fox with Alterna jars, introducing, again, I'm gonna keep introducing it until you get it, right? This is the Alterna OneCup Base. 1 cup because it is, the volume of it fits 1 cup in it. Comes with a gasket, replaceable gasket, it's easy to clean, very sanitary, and a replaceable plate, and fits on the Blendtec Blender or the Vitamix blender. Of course, for the Vitamix blender we have to change the blade. We'll do that for you. You can do it too. It's easy. Comes with a wrench. Making a smoothie for in the mason jar. Put the mason jar, put this as a lid on top of the mason jar, which acts also as the base. But before, I'm gonna put some coconut water in here. I have in here in the mason jar half a cup frozen blueberries, half a cup of frozen cherries and spinach, and use this as my measuring device. This is coconut water, so this is just about to the black line is 1 cup, and I hope I'm not spilling, otherwise I'm gonna be in trouble with the boss. Okay, and then usually you do this on the table, not in front of a video camera. And then you tighten that. If you ever get stuck, I'll show you how to. And then you put it. If you ever get stuck, then I'll show you how to take it off. It's very easy. Anyway, so you put it on your blender. Blendtec blenders. Always hold it. It's advisable so you don't bump it off with your elbow. Blender is on. Make sure that everything goes down like this. You shake it down, and then put it on smoothie. And now my phone is ringing, and I don't want to answer. So basically, the mason jar acts as a lid. Goes pretty fast. I think this is done. I mean, we don't have to blend it for the whole duration of the smoothie cycle. Anyway, so if you need to take it off and it's stuck somehow because it creates a vacuum with temperature difference, you just turn it a little bit so it doesn't leak, and you take this off. Make sure that it is on Klecker, that's a German word. And now, I forgot something really important. That's too bad. So sad, my drinking thing. The mason jars, they're available with a little drink. Well, you can drink it like this too. There's a little cup thingy away. I don't know where I put it. Unprepared, very unprofessional of me. Anyways, we're gonna sell this for around $65. And the mason jars, you can buy them at a dozen at like $10 at Walmart. Anyway, so that's the whole idea. That's just one example of what you can do with the 1 cup mason jar adapter, or you can blend lots of little tiny things. This is intended for small portions. Okay, thank you very much. Wash it by hand. Bye.